Hey everybody, welcome back. Check it out. Here we have a sweet new project we're going to be building next. You can see here on the decal we have the HobbyKing Navy Cub. What was it? Probably 2 years ago. Don't quote me on the date. Year or two ago, they had the little electric Navy Cub. Now they have the monster gas Navy Cub. Here's some specs for you. I ran through a converter. If memory serves me right, the wingspan's like 94, 95 inches, something like that. So it's a good size airplane. It has a side opening door. On the other side opens. It looks cool. This is what the box has for art. It's a big box, clearly, for a big airplane. Here's some of the gear that I'm going to use for it. So I have, if I can get the reflection good for you guys here, I have these Hextronic HX12, or I think it's HXT 12K servos. I'll have a link to everything I use down below in the video description. Here's your propellers you're going to need for this awesome motor right here. This here is a 20cc RCGF engine. Gas, not nitro, gas. You can see it has a quality Marlboro carb on it. Beautiful engine. Link to this as well will be down below in the description. This is the ignition and stuff it comes with. You can see the muffler. And it also has some motor mounts and some bolts, some other stuff. There's your gasket, spark plug, little bits in there. So this is the gist of the project, short of some wiring and batteries and receiver, but let's get this box open and show you guys what's in there, because I am stoked to check this out. Okay, I got the top off the box. You can see it's very well packaged here. It's got a secondary thick layer of cardboard to make sure that it makes it okay. Set this one down here to lay parts on. Kind of see how everything's packaged in here. Right at the bottom of the screen here and start taking things out, but right out of the gate you can see you got that big old Cub fuselage in that cool color scheme. Navy. You can see very stout. So I'm going to get this all out and unwrapped, and then we'll be right back and show you all the pieces. Okay everybody, we've got her all unpackaged. Here's the wings. You can see the top and bottom of the wings, what they look like. Everything arrived in pretty good shape. You've got the access point here for the servo. You can see there's going to be a slot there, so your linkage will be right here. These holes here are going to be for the struts and stuff. There's the wing. Here's what the end looks like. Here's your aluminum wing tube. You got some push rods. These are going to be for the struts for the wings. Here's your tail wheel stuff. Here so you can see a little better. Some motor mount stuff if you have a nitro motor. Some fuel tank parts. Here's a bunch of the wheels, a bunch of landing gear parts. The landing gear here. It's got some cool little blue Cub covers for the landing gear. These here will be your what would I call it? Strut covers, I guess you'd say. Here in the picture, they'll turn into these guys here once it's all done. This will be your motor. Comes with an engine and parts. Here's like your little, what do you call your engine shroud, cheek, something. Some more parts. Got the rudder. You can see here it comes with a couple pieces of spare covering. It seems to be like kind of a sticky back covering with all the detail and stuff printed on it, colors. Here's the cowl. You can see it's kind of outlined where the pieces will go, both sides. Got the fuse. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I can. It's got magnets, so you can get in there. You can see the servos go back here in the tray, cargo tray, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool. Whoops, got to do the top first. Holds it shut. There you go. What the firewall looks like. It's getting a little dark over here. Anyway, pretty cool. Should be fun. Looks like a lot of pieces, but it won't take much to get it together. It'll go pretty fast and easy. So there you go. From here on out, I'll probably do a pictorial of steps that I do and things as they're getting assembled and completed. So like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned. I cannot wait for the maiden. Should be fun. And this thing's going to look great in the air. So there you go. If you got any questions, leave them down below.